Hello and welcome to Get Clean Online. Today I'm going to be giving you a video walkthrough of both our informational website and a little demo of the actual program. So by now you've probably taken a peek around the website a little bit, but in case you need to know a little more about us, we've got our little About section, and you can always click the Read More option or go to the tab at the top of the screen. And here we have a word from our founder, Michael Coleman. That can also be found in our About Us section if you need any further information. So let's get into the actual program. We're going to go to 4 Seasons of Recovery, that tab, and this shows more of our content, talks a little bit more about our program. We have our different creating quality sections here in correlation to the different seasons. And then at the bottom of the screen we have the actual 13 paths to recovery that can be accessed once you actually subscribe to the program. The first path that we're going to go over is outlined here. And now let's go to our Get Started tab. This is going to give us a little more information. So we've got some nice explanations here if you need some examples for how to get started. Our founder has written his own story out, and we've got an excerpt for you there once you click the Michael's Story button. But for now, we're just gonna go as if we're writing our own story. So click the Write Your Story button, and it'll take you right to the Write Your Story page. And here's where we put in our name and our email so that the information can be saved for later use in the program. And this is just meant to be a cleansing exercise, one of realization and reflection, just so you can kind of look back on everything that's led up to this point. So again, if you need any more information on that, we've got an excerpt from our founder's story, as well as multiple resource tabs that will help you along the way. And we're going to click that button when we're finished. But first, just so you know, we've got a couple question and answers down there. If you have any more questions, check out our FAQ section. So now we're going to log in, and you would use your email and password, and you would log in just as simple as that, and that would send you just directly to whichever path you left off on. So for this instance, we're going to use path 1 as an example. And so the assignment for path 1 is to reread your story and to highlight the times in that story that relate to the path. So when we actually do the program, you're going to have a short lesson, whether that be video or reading, and you're going to learn more about the different paths and ways in which they can help you towards recovery. Path 1 is understanding your dependence on alcohol or drugs, so we're going to highlight places in which we're reminded of our dependency. So it'll look a little bit like that, and then we'll of course have more fields highlighted, but just for now we'll highlight that one field as sort of an example. So that's sort of the demo of path 1. So you can expect something similar from all of the other paths. If you have any questions, we have a wonderful FAQ section. It's been orchestrated by our CEO. And then last we have our creating quality section, and this is just meant to kind of be a helping hand to our program, give you a little more extra information to make your life throughout recovery a little bit smoother. So we have everything from finances to nutrition and fitness and fellowship, as well as spirituality. These are the sneak peeks And when you're actually enrolled in the program, you'll get a full creating quality section, at least one with each path. So thanks so much for watching this tutorial, and we hope that you visit our website again and hopefully subscribe to our program. Have a blessed day.